We are at ASE Education Foundation's annual education conference. So we bring in instructors from across the country to get in their hours of required instruction to keep them up to date on the latest so that they can go and teach that to their own students. These instructors come from all across the country, and they come from high schools, from community colleges, trade schools, etc. Anybody that's needing to get those hours of instructions as professionals so that they can go and share that with their students. This is also part of ASE accreditation, but we want students coming out of those programs who are well prepared to go into the industry and go to work. So think of this as a way to tune up instructors across the country on what they need to be doing.